This video is going to be looking at climate change impacts on phytoplankton latitudinal diversity gradient. First of all, what is climate change? Climate change is a shift in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. This is primarily caused by humans burning oil, gas and coal. These then produce greenhouse gases, which block heat from radiating into space, therefore causing our planet to heat up. But what is climate change's effect on our oceans? As previously mentioned, heating the planet also means heating our oceans. CO2 is a greenhouse gas, and when this dissolves into seawater, it causes ocean acidification. In addition to this, temperature increases causes glaciers to melt, rising our sea levels. So let's look at how ocean warming affects phytoplankton diversity. Zooplankton abundance is greatest at the equator, expressed by the latitudinal diversity gradient. However, increasing temperatures has and will cause many zooplankton and their food source to migrate further towards higher latitudes. This is because tropical waters are and will become too warm for these organisms' metabolic functions and reproduction systems. Therefore, this has caused zooplankton to move to mid-latitudes so they can function properly within cooler waters. Now let's explore ocean acidification's effect on zooplankton diversity gradient. Ocean acidification is extremely damaging to calcifying zooplankton. It can also disrupt reproductive functions and limit larval development. In addition to this, it is especially damaging to coccolithophores, a key food source for zooplankton. Is the latitudinal diversity gradient predicted to change as a result of ocean acidification? Zooplankton distribution will change due to a switch in food source, as calcifying phytoplankton will be extremely damaged as a result of ocean acidification. However, there has been limited research whether ocean acidification is a key driver of a change in the latitudinal diversity gradient. Finally, let's look at rising sea levels and glacial melt impact on zooplankton diversity. Warmer rising seas will cause the migration of zooplankton into temperate zones, which may flatten the latitudinal diversity gradient. In addition to this, coastal erosion and habitat loss may especially affect meroplankton and will reduce diversity near the equator, where fisheries are a key part of society and income to equatorial communities. Let's analyse how this might affect the latitudinal diversity gradient. Warmer rising seas will cause the migration of zooplankton into temperate zones, which may flatten the latitudinal diversity gradient. In addition to this, coastal erosion and habitat loss may especially affect meroplankton and will reduce diversity near the equator, where fisheries are a key part of society and income to equatorial communities. In conclusion, warming rising oceans will detrimentally affect zooplankton and many other communities' dispersion across the globe. This may flatten the LDG. More research could be conducted in response to ocean acidification effects on the latitudinal diversity gradient.